Good evening, everyone, from the Hartford Newsroom. Almost everyone agrees that Obamacare isn't perfect, but they also say that's no reason to replace it before the public gets a chance to take a look at this revised plan. But the Republican leader in the U.S. Senate in Washington is pushing for a vote on the as-yet undisclosed new plan within the next 2 weeks.
With little more than 1 day's notice, Connecticut residents and healthcare advocates jammed what Senator Richard Blumenthal describes as an emergency field hearing on the fate of Obamacare, formerly known as the Affordable Care Act. One of those that told her story was Michelle Vership of Meriden, who was diagnosed with a rare immune disorder in college and was covered for the $1 million treatment costs on her father's policy because of the ACA.
I am standing here right now because of the Affordable Care Act. It is not an exaggeration to say that without the Affordable Care Act, I likely would have died.
Being covered on your parents' plan till age 26, no lifetime coverage limits, and coverage for pre-existing conditions are all Obamacare staples thought to be on the chopping block. Bonnie Waterhouse's son suffers from Lyme disease.
We need to be able to keep the pre-existing condition alive in this package.
There is also concern that the expected rollback in Medicaid funding would affect thousands of Connecticut children.
By dismantling Medicaid through capped funding, block grants, and elimination of the Medicaid expansion, those who suffer the most are those who need health care the most.
Mitch McConnell, the Republican leader in the U.S. Senate, is hoping to get 50 votes on an Obamacare replacement plan being worked out by a small group of senators without any public hearing. The plan is said to contain about 80% of the plan passed in May by the U.S. House.
If it's 80% of the House bill, it will be 18 million people instead of 23 million people who lose health insurance. It'll be 8 billion additional costs for Connecticut instead of 12 billion.
Now, Senator Blumenthal says he's planning to hold another one of these emergency public hearings somewhere in the state before the end of the week. Live from the Hartford Newsroom, Mark Davis, News 8.